Well, with the A400M off the runway, our attention turns back down to the right-hand end, the runway 27 end. We have 3 aircraft on the end of the runway there, ready to roll, that we don't often see in flying displays nowadays. 3 examples of the Panavia Tornado. These to take part in a special historical aspect of the programme, marking the 35th anniversary of the first Tornado deliveries to the Tri-National Tornado Training Establishment, more of which later. But these 3 aircraft representing the original trio of Tornado partner nations within the Panavia Consortium. Britain's Royal Air Force providing one, the German Luftwaffe another, and the third was Italy's Aeronautica Militare. But now our next item with the Tornadoes clearing to go and hold